3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out here from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Clash. Should I stay or should I go? That's the question. Okay, so this song is cool. We only got 3 chords. 4 chords. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this song has the same chords over and over. It's just different tempos for the verse and the chorus. So we got D to G to D. 2, 3, 4. D, 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 G, 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 D. 2, 3, 4. And then G to F. Same rhythm. And then D. D, G, D, and then A. 2, 3, 4, D to G. 2, 3, 4. So pa 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 pa. All downstrokes. D, 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 G, 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 D. Okay, let's go to G to D, F. 2, 3, 4, D. G, 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 D. 2, 3, 4, A. When I play that A, I add over the A, I add this just to make it a little more interesting. 3, 4. So I put the 3rd finger on the D string, 4th fret. Over the A. 2, 3, back to D. 2, 3, one more time, come on. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Oh yeah, from the D to G, you can keep this finger on the B string and just move second finger to the E string like that. That's a good way to do it. And mute the A string when you play the G. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, G to F. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, A. 2, 3, 4, and then we have the chorus, same chords. We're just gonna play faster, basically. So D, 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 D. Down, down. Let's see. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. D to F. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Double speed. Here we go, chorus. Down, 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 down. G to F. Song, verse and chorus, verse and chorus. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, have fun.